when I sat down to see the Kahaluu Ma Kai project, I just cried. Why? One, Kona cannot imagine what is coming about, a benefit for the community and Hawaiian children from this place.
O kahaave pili ke kua, o ke kama'a pili ka.
Envisioned to be a dynamic Hawaiian landscape for cultural learning and innovation, Kahaluu Ma Kai is visited each year by 2,400 learners from more than 40 educational programs. They come to engage in the rich learning experiences that this aina offers.
And we need you to stack this, some of the vegetation out here out of the way so we can have a clear view of site.
Every year, students from Pahoa's Hawaii Academy of Arts and Sciences visit Kahaluu Ma Kai to kokua the restoration of traditional sites while practicing the science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics lessons learned in the classroom.
So I'm really excited that they are turning this site into an opportunity to learn more about the Hawaiian culture, science, mathematics, and to get involved with the community. Even though I am not of Hawaiian ancestry, through this project I have learned a lot about the importance of knowing of your ancestry, about your ancestry, and the importance of preservation of past cultures. So with the new site, it's going to open up a lot of more opportunities to everyone in the community and all the different schools to come and learn about their own cultures and about the place that they live.
At Kahaluu Ma Kai, the majority of cultural resources are concentrated on the northern half of the site. This is where much of the aina-based educational programming will take place.
You know, for some kids sitting behind a desk for long periods of time, they begin to wonder what are they doing. But when they're actually doing hands-on things, such as this, like right here, they have a goal and they work together and they get it done. Yeah.
But I hope to see, and I know I will. I'm sitting in the midst of it. I'm moving with that journey. I'm moving with it in that wave. It will produce our keikis of higher learning capacity that they will be coming out from this with that Hawaiian intelligence, like Auntie would say, that in Hawaiian intelligence in them, and they would know who they are, and that the future is my kai.